Amy Adams, six-time Oscar-nominated American actress, famous for Enchanted, Arrival and American Hustle. Andrew Garfield, acclaimed British-American actor known for The Amazing Spider-Man and Tick Tick Boom. Demi Lovato, multi-platinum pop singer, songwriter and actress. Al Roker, long-time weather anchor and television personality for NBC's Today Show. Ke Huy Quan, Oscar-winning actor celebrated for Everything Everywhere All at Once and childhood roles in Indiana Jones and The Temple of Doom. Misha Collins, American actor best known for playing Castiel on the TV series Supernatural. Ben Barnes, British actor known for The Chronicles of Narnia, Prince Caspian and Shadow and Bone. Connie Chung, trailblazing American television journalist and news anchor. Robert Plant, legendary English singer and frontman of the rock band Led Zeppelin. Fred Durst, American rapper, singer and frontman of the nu metal band Limp Bizkit. Isaac Hayes, influential soul singer, songwriter and Oscar-winning composer for Shaft. John Hyatt, respected American rock and country singer, songwriter. Phil Lynott, Irish musician, bassist and founding frontman of the rock band Thin Lizzy. KRS-One, influential hip-hop pioneer, rapper and producer. Walter Gunther Hahn, Australian professional wrestler and dominant WWE star. Joe Willock, English professional football player who plays as a midfielder for Newcastle United. Lieke Klaver, Dutch track and field athlete specializing in the 400-meter sprint. Lee Jong-hoo, South Korean professional baseball outfielder for the San Francisco Giants. Tanya Sachdev, chess international master and women grandmaster. Don King, prominent controversial American boxing promoter known for staging historic fights. Benjamin Harrison, the 23rd President of the United States, HP. Lovecraft, influential American author of weird fiction and cosmic horror. John Carmack, renowned video game programmer and co-founder of ID Software, famous for creating Doom and Quake. Thank you for watching this video.